Hello friends, how are you? In this session, I will show you how we can give style to our React.js HTML components. Okay, so basically there are two ways. We can either apply the inline CSS that we are doing in normal traditional applications, or we can apply the CSS from a CSS file. So it is similar to normal traditional application, but there is a little changes. Okay. Now let's me go to our application. Here we have the app.js file. You can see that it is our header, it is our footer, and here we have defined the routing that we also explained this thing in more detail in our previous video. Right. Now let's me move to the header component. Here I have defined some HTML, and we also explained this in our previous video. Now, in normal HTML pages, you know that we are using the CSS class like in this way. But in React case, you have to give it class name, okay, like in this way. So let me add some content to the. Let me first move to the home page, okay. Now here I have to give some content. First, I will apply the inline CSS, and then I will apply the CSS from a file. Okay, now let's me give here h3 tag. Okay, let's this home page title, and here let's me give another div. Sorry, and here will be the home page body. Okay, let me format this document and let me show you the result. So it is our home page title, home page body, and footer. One more thing, that our footer is basically at the top, it should be here at the bottom. So for these, let's me inspect. I think it is inside the container. So we have the header, we have the body of the page, and here we have the footer. So let me see the CSS of the container that we have written in our previous video, app.css, and here we have the container. Display, justify, content, align, text. Let's me also give here a minimum height of 100 VH. Control save. Okay, now the content is coming at the center. Now if I just change the justify content flex start. Okay, space between. Okay, now it's looking fine. Now I have also to change here justify content space between control S. Now our header is coming at the top, it is our body, and it is our footer. Okay guys, now let's me okay, so we are discussing how to apply the inline CSS in React.js. Now I have to make the color of this text blue, and its background should be yellow. Okay, now I will do this by inline CSS. Let's me go to the home page, and here is our h4 tag. So if we want to apply inline CSS, you have to write like in this way, and then again one other curly braces. So you have to write your CSS inside the curly braces. It look like basically a JavaScript object. So let's me set here the background. Sorry, it's background, and just like JavaScript object key pair. So you have to give the background like blue, and its text color should be white, comma. mm, Color should be white. So in real case, you have to apply the inline CSS like in this way. Control S. Its background is blue and text color is white. And here I have also to apply some background to the div also. Style double curly parenthesis, uh, background is uh, okay, no, its background is showing as red. So it is the way to apply inline CSS in React.js. To apply the CSS from a CSS file, you have to use the you can access the tag name directly. You can access it through a class or through an ID also. No, I will just define here a class name. Okay, class name will be, let's suppose, home title. Let me copy the class name. Go to the CSS file. You can add your other CSS file if you have required. And let me again go to the home page. Now I have to apply these inline CSS now from the app.css. Now let me go here. Its background should be blue and color should be white. Right? Okay. Let's remove these. Control save. Oh, and I also removed here the inline CSS. Now let's see the result. The result is same. Now here I have applied the inline CSS, and here I am giving a style to these h4 tag from our app.css file. Okay, so this is the basic way how you can apply style to your React.js component. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.